hello to all you powerful researchers. Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence can write text, create images, or even cheat in games? If you're curious about how these systems work and want to build one yourself, then this video is just for you. First, we'll outline the path and show you what you need to learn. Then, at the end of the video, I'll introduce the best resources where you can find quality training. If you learn from reputable sources and truly master the concepts, not only can you land high-paying jobs at various companies, but with your superior knowledge, you could even become an entrepreneur. Now that you've decided to start learning AI, you need to know where to begin and how to move forward. Don't worry, we'll take it step by step. One, Python is the best choice. The first thing you need is a programming language, and Python is the best option. Why? Because it's simple, readable, and packed with ready-to-use tools for AI. To start, you should learn basic concepts like variables, loops, conditionals, and functions, which you can find on our channel. After that, move on to essential libraries like NumPy and Pandas for working with data, Matplotlib and Seaborn for visualization and data analysis. 2. Learning math and statistics. AI without some math is like driving without a steering wheel. But don't worry, you only need key concepts like linear algebra, matrices, and vectors to understand how data is processed. Probability and statistics mean standard deviation distributions for data modeling. Derivatives and gradient descent to understand how models learn. 3. Entering the world of machine learning. Now we reach the stage where AI learns on its own. Machine learning means we create a model that identifies patterns based on the data we provide. Here are the key concepts you need to know. Supervised learning, like predicting house prices or detecting spam. Unsupervised learning, finding patterns in unlabeled data. Famous algorithms, like linear regression, decision trees, KNN, and SVM. For practice, you can use the scikit-learn library and work with real datasets. For diving into deep learning, this is where AI becomes truly intelligent. Using artificial neural networks (ANN), we can build models that recognize handwriting, detect faces, or even generate text. In this section, you need to learn how neural networks work: neurons, weights, activation functions. CNN convolutional neural networks for image processing. RNN recurrent neural networks for text and speech processing. Using frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch to implement these models. 5. Hands-on practice with real projects. Now it's time to get to work and build real projects. Here are some great ideas for practice. Creating a simple chatbot that interacts with users. Designing a face recognition system with OpenCV. Building a model to predict stock prices using financial data. The more practical projects you complete, the faster you'll learn and become an expert. If you want the best resources for learning, don't miss these. Free YouTube courses like Free Code Camp and Centex. Kaggle for hands-on practice and AI competitions. Online courses from Coursera and Fast.ai for deep learning. The book Hands-on Machine Learning for a better understanding of concepts. Thanks for sticking with us until the end. Now the path is clear, you just need to start. Use the information I shared, and just take the first step. What do you think? Which part do you want to learn first? Let me know in the comments.